Today, I'll show you how to make Japanese omurice. Omurice is a Western-style dish that originated in Japan, consisting of cooked rice wrapped in eggs like an omelette. Today, I'll show you how to make a beautiful omurice, but the key is here. A small non-stick frying pan and a rubber spatula. So let's get started. Cut 1/4 onion into small pieces. Cut chicken thigh into small pieces. Turn on the heat to medium heat and add 1 tablespoon butter in a pan. Stir fry onions and add the rest of the ingredients. When the chicken becomes white, add cooked sushi rice. Add 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Sprinkle salt and pepper. The key to make an almond-shaped good-looking omurice is to shape the rice beforehand. Now, let's cook eggs. Crack and beat 2 eggs. Before you start cooking the eggs, prepare for a wet towel. Turn on the heat to medium heat and melt the butter. Add a beaten egg into a pan and quickly stir-fry the eggs while shaking the frying pan. When the egg starts turning solid, stop stirring and make a circle shape. When the surface of the egg stops moving, turn off the heat and place the frying pan on a wet towel. Let the residual heat cook the egg for a few minutes. Place the rice on the egg. Tilt the pan while trying to wrap the rice with a fried egg. Push it to the edge of the frying pan. Carefully turn the pan over. Use a sheet of paper towel to shape the omurice. It is common for newlyweds to write messages on the omurice with ketchup. Others enjoy drawing pictures, or fancy restaurants put some sauces in a fashionable manner. Either way, enjoy your omurice!